Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope that all you are well. I am back with the chapter new syllabus, and first chapter is chapter 2, that is rational numbers. What is rational number? And one thing more, only exercise 2.2 is in your syllabus, not 2.1. It is only exercise 2.2. What is rational number? Any number of the form P over Q. Any number of the form P over Q. P over Q means there is numerator, there is denominator. Any number of the form numerator over denominator where denominator is non-zero. That is called the rational number. P over Q where Q is non-zero. Like 3 over 5, minus 6 over 7, minus 8 over 9, minus 7 over minus 3. These all are the examples of rational numbers. You have studied the fraction. Fraction is numerator over denominator. This is fraction. But now in rational number, signs are also there. Numerator over denominator, denominator non-zero, numerator over denominator, denominator non-zero, numerator over denominator, denominator non-zero. These are called the rational numbers. Followed? Now the first concept about your exercise is equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational number. You have done in the fractions. Equivalent fractions you have done. Now the topic is equivalent rational number. I am going to take some example. Minus 5 over 3. To find the equivalent rational number of this minus 5 over 3, it means that you are going to have the tables. Minus 5 over 3 is multiplied to 2. It is minus 10 over 6. 3 doesn't have any sign, so 3 to is 6. Minus 5 over 3, 3 over 3, it is minus 15 over 9. Minus 5 over 3 multiplied by 4 over 4, it is minus 20 over 12. Minus 5 over 3 is equal to minus 10 over 6 is equal to minus 15 over 9 is equal to minus 20 over 15. These are all equivalent fractions to 5 minus 5 over 3. So from the equivalent fraction, we concluded that in rational numbers, if numerator is multiplied by some number, it is compulsory to multiply the denominator by same number. Followed? If numerator is multiplied by some number, it is compulsory to multiply the denominator by some number, same number. Same way, if denominator is multiplied by some number, it is compulsory to multiply the numerator by same number. Followed? Same rule is applicable in division. If numerator is divided by some number, then denominator is also divided by the same number. If denominator is divided by same number, then it is compulsory to divide numerator by same number. Then only in the case of multiplication, then only you will get equivalent fraction. Multiply numerator and denominator by the same numbers, you will get the equivalent fraction of this rational number. Next example is minus 2 over 7. Minus 2 is multiplied by 2. Same way, denominator is multiplied by the same number. You will get minus 4 over 14, equivalent fraction of minus 2 over 7. Minus 2 over 7 is multiplied in numerator. Minus 2 is multiplied by 3. You have to make sure that denominator is multiplied by the same number. It is minus 6 over 21. So minus 2 over 7, minus 4 over 14 and minus 6 over 21 are two equivalent fractions of minus 2 over 7. This is how the equivalent fractions are obtained, by multiplying numerator and denominator with the same number. This is all about the equivalent rational numbers. If the question is like this, that you are given with a rational number 5 over 7 and question is convert minus 5 over 7 to the rational number, to a rational number with denominator 21, with denominator 21. It means minus 5 over 7 is the given rational number and you are given with the answer as denominator is 21. So 7 is multiplied by which number to get 21? 7 is multiplied by 3 to get 21. If denominator is multiplied by some number, it is compulsory to multiply the numerator also, and you will get minus 15. Minus 15 over 21 is the equivalent fraction of minus 5 over 7 with the denominator 21. Followed? Same is the case if you are having the numerator. Let us suppose that minus 5 over 7, convert minus 5 over 7 to rational number. Convert minus 5 over 7 to rational number with the numerator 20. So minus 5 over 7 is given and in the answer you are required with 20 in the numerator. In the answer you are required with 20 in the numerator. Minus 5 is multiplied by which number to get 20? Minus 5 is multiplied by which number to get 20? Minus 5 is multiplied by minus 4 to get 20. Sign of 20 doesn't have any sign, it is plus. And same way, if numerator is multiplied by some number, same number is multiplied in the denominator. It is 7 minus into minus 4 is minus 28. So 20 over minus 28 is the equivalent fraction of minus 5 over 7 with the numerator 20, the condition which is given to us. Follow my point? Now some operations on rational number. Some operations on rational number. First one is the addition of rational number. Addition of rational numbers. In the first type, when denominators are same. Addition of rational number, first type is when denominator are same. Just like the fractions, you can go on, but keep it in your mind about the signs. It is minus 3 over 7 plus 5 over 7. Denominator is 7, denominator is 7. So this question is having same denominator. So do with the numerator, write down 7. It is minus 3 plus 5. Besides, the question is about addition, but you have to act according to the signs. Besides, question is about addition, you have to act according to the sign. In chapter integer you have studied positive and negative means subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 2. Sign to the answer is of the largest number. 5 is largest and sign of 5 is 2. So 2 over 7 is the answer. Second example. 6 over 11 plus 9 over 11. Same denominator, 11, 11. So you just write 11 is the denominator and add the numerator. It is 15 over 11. When denominator are same, add numerator. This is the first type. And the second type is when denominators are not same. Then what you will do? When second type is when denominators are different. When denominators are different, then take LCM of denominators. How many numbers of denominator are given? Take LCM of denominator. Okay, then make equivalent fractions. Make equivalent fraction of each given fraction. Of each given fraction. Sorry. Make equivalent rational number. Make equivalent rational number. Make equivalent rational number of each given rational number. And then act according to the signs. Then act according to the signs. The question is 4/7, 2/9, 1/21. What is the denominators? Denominators are 7, 9 and 21. All the denominators are different. So what you have to do? Take LCM of denominators. Take LCM of denominator, that is 7, 9 and 21. Now take the LCM of 7, 9 and 21. It is with the 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. Then 7, 1, 3, 1. And then 3, 1, 1, 1. So LCM is 3 into 7 into 3. It is 63. LCM is 63. Now convert every rational number into the denominator as 63. First rational number is 4/7. 4/7 is converted into the rational denominator 63. By which number 7 is multiplied to get 63? It is 9. 7 into 9 is 63. If denominator is multiplied by 9, same way you have to multiply with the numerator. 9 fours are 36. Second is 2/9. 2/9 is multiplied by some number. 9 is multiplied by which number to get 63? It is 7. If denominator is multiplying by some numbers, same number is getting multiplied to the numerator. It is 14/63. Then 1/21. 21 and 63. It is 3. 21 into 3 is 63. So 3 in the numerator also. 3 is multiplied to 1. You will get 3/63. Followed? Now you are having the question becomes addition of 3 rational numbers. Addition of 3 rational numbers with the same denominator. Followed with the same denominator. This is the first type. You can write the denominator and then add the numerator. This is your answer. I hope that you will understood all the concepts, and with this try your best to do question number first to question number 6th of exercise 2.2. Followed? Thank you. Bye bye. Do your work. I will send the solutions also. Thank you.